understanding common orthopedic injuries from sprains to fractures. Hi everyone, I am Rachit Bhatia from Redwater Physiotherapy. Today, let's break down some of the most common orthopedic injuries we treat, like sprains, and fractures. Orthopedic injuries affect your bones, joints, muscles, ligaments, and tendons. They can happen from sports, workplace accidents, repetitive movements, or even something as simple as slipping on the ice. With early intervention, proper rehabilitation, and a personalized physio plan, most orthopedic injuries can heal well without long-term damage. What's the difference between a sprain and a strain? Imagine a sprain is a stretched or a torn ligament. Imagine if you twist your ankle, that's a sprain. A strain is an injury to a muscle or a tendon. Imagine if you pulled a hamstring, that will describe as strain. When should I see a physiotherapist for an injury? If you're experiencing swelling, pain with movement, or limited mobility for more than 48 hours, physio can help speed up healing and prevent complications.